Guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video guys, check natin ang 2025 Honda HR-V 1.5 RS EHEV CVT Honda Sensing Opal White Silver. Guys, ito yung top of the line variant ng ating Honda HR-V. Ang kanyang price is 1,819,000 pesos. Tour ko na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. Guys, ito yung kaka-launch lang na Honda HR-V na hybrid na guys. So nag-start na kami ng launching this exactly today, March 7 sa SM North. So kung gusto niyo makita yung ibang variants pa ng hybrid, visit lang kayo sa SM North guys. Dito naman sa showroom, meron tayo naka-display na Opal White Silver. Sa front portion guys, kung mapapansin nyo, iba na yung niya, yung looks niya. So minor model change siya compared doon sa previous model. And hybrid na yung top of the line. Kasi yung previous na top of the line, yung RS is 1.5 turbo ang makina. Ngayon hybrid na. Naka LED headlights tayo with daytime running lights. Sequential din ng ating parking lights guys. LED fog lamps. RS design front grille. Combination siya guys ng chrome and matte black. Then ang shape niya is more on trapezoid. Ang emblem natin is meron na rin siyang similarity doon sa CR-V natin. Pero ang difference guys, wala siyang transparent case. Pero meron siyang outer lane blue lining. RS design emblem. Very silky na lower front bumper. Meron siyang guys, amp sign and amp line. Papansin nyo, it's more on maroon ang color niya. Then yung front bumper natin is combination ng chrome and glossy black. Then ang ating engine guys is 1.5 EHEV CVT. So 7-speed automatic, continuous variable transmission with 129 horsepower and 253 Newton meters of torque. Front wheel drive. Most of our units na dito sa Honda may mga hybrid na. So nauna si CR-V, sumunod si Civic, then si HR-V na. Equipped na rin siya ng Honda Sensing guys. Additional safety features for end users. Dito naman tayo sa passenger side guys. Naka-two-tone tayo guys na black and silver na alloy wheels, 18-inch ventilated disc ang ating front brakes. MacPherson strut ang ating suspension naman sa harap. Ground clearance is 196 mm. Ang side seal natin is combination ng glossy black and chrome accent. Door integrated side mirrors. Meron na rin siyang lane watch camera. Side turning lights, isa sa side mirror na din. Body color door handles with smart entry na rin siya guys. Ang ating door handle naman sa ating second row na door is nandito sa may pillar. Solid disc naman ang ating rear brakes. Torsion beam naman ang ating suspension sa likod. Naka shark fin antenna na tayo. Dito naman tayo sa back portion guys. Ang difference naman guys ng RS ngayon, yung previous kasi na RS turbo engine na petrol is smoke black ang LED tail lights niya. Ngayon it's more on clear. Mayroon na rin siyang 4-eye backup sensor sa rear bumper. Glossy black with chrome accent din sa rear bumper natin. Meron na rin siyang reverse camera. Actually kakadating na ng unit na to. At ang maganda dito guys, power tailgate na ang RS variant natin. Same na siya with CRV na hybrid. Meron tayong tonneau cover na which is detachable. Spacious compartment. Ito guys, same siya with CRV. Wala siyang spare tire. It's more on tire repair kit. Inflator and sealant ang kasama. Then meron tayong mga LED na lights dito sa compartment natin. Saka ko lang ulit guys. With ano to with hands-free assist. So pag in-swipe mo yung paa mo sa rear bumper na malapit ang smart key, pwede siya mag-close na. Dito naman tayo sa driver side. Ang ganda na rin ng mags niya guys. FYI, ang mags ng RS tsaka ng V variant guys, which is yung middle variant, same design and same size. Fuel tank capacity is 40 liters guys. Door panel natin sa second row, meron siyang urethane leather with red stitches and maroon accent. Then yung buttons natin guys, yung window buttons natin is na papaligiran ng glossy black finish. Ang maganda rin guys sa HRV natin, lahat ng variants leather seats na, kahit yung S variant. Yung SNV guys, non-turbo engines na, wala na tayong turbo engine for the HRV. Non-turbo and hybrid na lang ang available engine natin for the HRV category. Full genuine leather with red stitches. Same setup pa rin siya ng seats, ULT. Same with hatchback. Flexible ang ating second row. Just in case sa 3 passengers, meron kang mga dog cage na vertical, kasya. Adjustable headrest guys. Black ceiling. Ang ating dome light is LED na. Sa middle section natin, meron tayong aircon vent with 2 charging ports na type C. And as usual, the spacious legroom. Yun nga lang guys, sa HRV kasi it's more on compact concept kasi siya. So mas ano lang, mas mababa ng konti ang headroom niya compare with other model units, and yung mga bintana niya mas maliit. Then meron tayong ano guys 8 speakers. So 4 speakers din 2 tweeters. Dito naman tayo sa driver side guys. Ang maganda rin dito guys, naka power seats na ang ating driver seat. Dito naman sa door panel natin sa driver side, nandito yung buttons natin, power folding side mirrors, adjustment ng mirrors left or right. Ito yung knob nya, central door lock, window lock, and window switches. Sakay lang ako dito guys sa ating colored na ang ating full digital panel. Yun nga lang guys, ang instrument panel natin is combination pa rin siya ng analog and digital. Ang ating steering wheel is tilt and telescopic, up and down, forward and back. Ang steering wheel natin guys is wrapped na ng leather cover with red stitches. Combination siya ng urethane and glossy black accents, audio control with hands-free telephone assist, and for the adaptive cruise control and Honda sensing. Paddle shifters, plus and minus sign. Then itong switch na to is for the LED tail lights and LED fog lamps. For the wipers, Sa baba naman guys, nandito yung gas lid. And for the compartment, RS sports pedal. Push start button na siya guys. Touchscreen audio unit with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto ready. Aircon buttons natin with dual zone air conditioning. Sa baba naman ng aircon buttons natin guys, meron siya USB port and Type-C for charging. Meron tayong portion dito for cellphones or mga maliliit na coin purse or wallet. Sa baba naman yan is meron siyang wireless charger port. For the transmission guys, for the shift knob, meron siyang leather cover with red stitches. Meron siyang park, reverse, neutral, drive, and brake for the transmission. So ang B, it's more on for recharging the hybrid battery. Pero magpa-function lang siya pag pa-downhill. So isi-shift nyo siya sa B. Drive mode, meron siyang sports, econ, and normal. Hill descent control, gagamitin nyo siya pag pa-downhill para hindi masyadong gagamit ng brake pads. Magsa-self-adjust yung mga gulong to a slower motion. So mas makokontrol mo yung pagbaba mo, lalo na pag matatarik yung mga pababa nyo. Electronic park brake, gagamitin lang natin siya pag magpapark na matagal or off na natin yung engine. Brake hold, ito yung ating handbrake for stop and go sa traffic condition. Armrest, leather na with red stitches. Console box, passenger seat, and dashboard natin guys. Very very smooth. Actually for me, kung ako tatanungin nyo, ano lang siya, basic na dashboard pero napaka linis tingnan and napaka smooth. Meron rin siyang air diffuser for the aircon vent. Glove box, dito natin lalagay yung warranty booklet, owner's manual, copy ng ORCR na hindi expired, and insurance policy just in case meron kayong copy ng hard copy ng insurance policy. Visors natin, meron na siyang vanity mirror and light. Same dito sa passenger seat. Ang ating map light, LED na. Side airbags natin is front airbags, side airbags dito sa seats, side curtain hanggang sa likod. So regarding naman safety features, hindi magpapahuli ang Honda. Isa sa mga well-known brand pagdating sa safety features. Tapos nadagdagan pa siya ng Honda Sensing, which is additional safety features. Pero it's more an assistance lang guys ang ano natin, ang ating Honda Sensing. Hindi ka pwedeng dumepende talaga doon. It's more on ano pa rin, skill set ng driver. Then ang color lineup nito guys, meron siyang crystal black, ignite red, sun khaki pearl, and opal white silver. Additional 20,000 pag opal white silver. So guys, yun lang. Pag nagkaroon na kami ng units dito, actually meron na, pag display na yung S and V, i-vlog natin yon guys. So guys, just in case you have any concerns regarding SRP inquiries, discount, we can work it out. Bank partners, para kung gusto mag-bank display, parts inquiries and service appointments, and financing and bank POs, feel free to call or text 0906-386-8937 or visit me at 598 EDSA Balintawak, Caloocan City. And look for me guys, Ross Oliver Cruz, ang inyong friendly sales manager here at Honda Cars Balintawak. Looking forward to meet you here guys and render my services to you. Kindly subscribe na nga rin pala sa aking YouTube channel para maging updated sa mga susunod na videos, and pa-follow na rin sa aking Facebook, Ross Oliver Cruz, and aking Facebook page, Honda Cars Balintawak Best Deals by Ross Oliver Cruz. Yun lang guys. Hopefully to meet you here at render my services to you again and providing a hassle-free transaction to all customers since 2016. Yun lang guys. Thank you and God bless.